Are you tired of learning photography from the YouTube University, leaving you with more questions than answers? As they say, one should learn from others' mistakes. Watch this video till the end and I will provide you a solution for your complete photography learning needs. Hi, my name is Aman Patil and I am the founder of Masterpics, which is a leading photography agency operating out of Mumbai. I am also a photography educator, and in the past 10 years, I have taught more than 10,000 students in the art and science of photography. If I am not shooting my clients, if I am not teaching my students, then I am writing. Yes, I am the author of The Ultimate Guide to Photography Fundamentals, a collection of photography cheat sheets. Masterpics is glad to announce a 4-day photography physical workshop at my studio in Mumbai, where you can learn the nuances of photography from yours truly, Amol Patil. I will be starting right from scratch, the basics of photography, but then I will be graduating you to the advanced topics of photography, whether it is shutter, aperture, ISO, white balance, exposure compensation, metering modes, focus area modes, AFC, AFS, AFA. Check the agenda. Not only that, I'll be taking you out on a photo walk, putting to test your knowledge, what you have learned in the studio session. I will also be exclusively reviewing your pictures, what's good, bad, ugly about them, so that you can improve upon them. Your best picture is your next picture. Click on the link below, check the dates. Don't forget to glance through the exclusive bonuses that I have lined up for you worth thousands of rupees. A couple of bonuses I would like to mention here. You would be exclusively getting the Ultimate Guide to Photography Fundamentals. You would also be getting the complete video recording of the entire course so that you can revisit again and again for a lifetime validity. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below and register now.